Hey, what's going on everybody? Thank you for tuning in. As always, it's your boy Shad, and I'm back here with another first look at the LeBron 7 China Moons. So this shoe actually re-released on January 2nd, 2020. I was not able to hit on these when they dropped. I missed it by a few minutes, but I did actually get lucky last week when they re-dropped these on the sneakers app. So I did make sure to scoop up a pair. Probably my favorite silhouette of all the LeBron line. My favorite LeBron shoe happens to be the actual 7 Dunkman, which I had back in the day. I ended up selling, and I've been waiting for it to come back ever since. So with all of these LeBron 7s, I am praying that they come out with the Dunkmans again, but who knows. I am happy to have these. I never actually had this particular colorway. Love the gold, love the white. LJ23 button on the back. And you've got this print here on the medial side. Got the smaller swoosh there. Lateral side, you've got the bigger swoosh there and this fly wire going across this upper, the old LeBron signature in gold as well. Air unit in gold. On the inside, if you can see there, really cool touch. So let's check these out on feet and see what they look like, y'all. So there you have it, the LeBron 7 China Moons. Let me know if you guys are feeling this shoe. What's your favorite LeBron 7 colorway? Again, mine happens to be the Dunkman. Nike, please release that color. I might have to double up on those. I might even have to triple up. But thank you guys. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button as well. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.